a video for the eBay listing of the Fire-Lite MS-2 fire alarm control panel. This is a used control panel. It has been barely used. It was just used on a hobby system of mine. I didn't have it running all the time. I just powered it up whenever I needed it for use. It comes with a pair of keys. It comes with the manual, device compatibility document, 4 resistors, 1 for backup, 3 pigtail resistors, and the battery cables. Also, you get the dress panel, which is what covers, when you open it up right here, there is all the circuitry showing. You put the dress panel on and it covers everything up except for the keypad, so that's how that works. All of the screws for it, I'm going to open it up for you. All of the screws for it, one right here, one right here, one right there. They're all there except for this one. There's supposed to be one right here. You can see the hole; it's missing. Really, you can fit any screw in there, and if the screw is not small enough, you can kind of make the hole bigger by trying to screw through the hole. But yeah, really any screw can go in there, and it's fine without that screw there, as long as the other ones are tight. And so let me go ahead and do a test now. Here's the door. Yeah. Of course, you're not getting any of the wires with it or anything. I just have that up there so I can power it up and test it. So let's just. Oh yeah, and by the way, the power troubles. That's just because I have no batteries connected. If you have batteries connected, it shouldn't do that. It would be fine. So again, this is one perfectly good unit. So let's just go ahead and do a simulation of a fire alarm. Selective silence. You can hear the strobe flashing. So yeah, there you go. There is a test of it. Let's go ahead and do a run through here. You have 1 pair of resettable power, 24 volts, 1 NAC, notification appliance circuit, and 2 initiating device circuits. You have a trouble and an alarm relay. You have your AC power connection. You have your battery connection, and the transformer is already connected. And yeah. And if the piezo, however you want to say it, sounded weird to you in the video, that's because I just had duct tape over it. So if we go and do another reset, it should sound different now. Yeah, that sounds normal now. Let's listen to it from here. So yeah. So just go through an overview. You will get everything that was included originally with this unit. I bought this unit brand new for $275. And again, really, I haven't even had it powered up much, and I barely used it. It was just a hobby system. The only thing that is not included is this one screw right here that's missing, and some of the resistors. They may have given me more than 4. I don't see why they would, but I think I may have actually given you guys an extra one for a spare. I'm not sure how many they gave me when I first bought it, but so yeah, this is a good fire alarm control panel. I hope you are interested in it, and thank you for looking at this video, watching this video. and I should have the link to the eBay listing in the description. Have a nice day.